Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bakes, the channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert. This week I'm going to be making some courgette muffins. On the one hand I'm going to make some chocolate courgette muffins and the other some lemon courgette muffins. We shall see how they turn out. So we're going to cream the butter and sugar together in the first instance. I'm using the electric whisk again for this one. It was already out from the buttercream earlier. Previous video last week. Anyway, mix that up so it's all nicely mixed together. The sugar and the butter is creamy. Scrape down the bowl with a spatula. And then we're going to add some eggs. I thought that was a bit of shell there, but it wasn't. Beat well after each egg addition, 3 eggs in total. And then add a little bit of flour if it starts curdling like it did in this situation. Mix again. And then once that's done, we're going to wipe down the sides again with the spatula. And then add the flour and bicarb of soda, sieve it together. And then once that's sieved in, fold in with a spoon. I mean, this is folding just because I sped up the video. And then I'm going to get the courgette and grate it till there's nothing left of it. And then pop that into the mixture. Get it all off the grater. And give that a good stir. And now, because I'm making 2 different flavours, I'm going to split this mixture into 2. So to get it even-ish, I decided to weigh it out. So I put all of the mixture into one bowl on the scales and then halved it. I mean, just as soon as I worked out the maths. See the wheels turning in my brain. Almost even. That'll do. And then I added lemon juice and lemon zest from 2 lemons. However, in hindsight, I think just lemon zest and juice from 1 lemon will do the job. Just add a bit at a time and mix after each addition into 1/2. I mean, you can just make them all lemon if you like. Entirely up to you. Mix that in. And then time for the chocolate side. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. But you could just do it with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'll sieve it in anyway because it's quite lumpy. And once that's all sieved, give that a mix. Fold it and run out of spatulas by this point. Back to the wooden spoons. And then, once that's all mixed together, time to decant into cupcake cases. Or muffin cases. Same difference. So I decided to use pink for the chocolate side and green spotty for the lemon side. Scrape off the excess. And then dollop some mixture into each cupcake case until you've used it all. You can probably get slightly more than 12 out of this mixture, maybe 14, 15 at a push. And then pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. And there you go. So we've got these muffins. These are quite a decent size. These have got a bit flat, but they've been in the oven for 25 minutes. I checked them after 20, but put them in for another 5 on 160 fan. And now I'm going to taste them as soon as they have cooled. I've never had a courgette cake, or made one for that matter, so not sure what I'm expecting. moist. Interesting. Can't taste the courgette. You can taste the lemon, only ever so slightly. Let's try this one. Chocolate courgette cake. So I mean, you're getting some vegetable, some of your five a day, and you're getting a treat at the same time. See? Also interesting. You can taste the chocolate, not the courgette, and it's not overly sweet. It's quite nice. Might do less cocoa powder next time instead of 2 tablespoons, maybe just 1. But nice enough. Give it a go. So, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any suggestions for anything you might like me to make in the next episode, please put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And this week I'm going to use a courgette and put it into cake. I'm going to make a chocolate courgette. This week I'm going to utilise a courgette and pop it in some cake.